Welcome, friends, to this session of poetry recitation. I am reciting one poem which is Austin River Walk in the year 2015 in United States. Austin River Walk in United States. I will take just 1 minute to make the base of this particular poem. Austin is one of the oldest cities in United States. It's a capital city. That is, it is the capital of Texas province in United States. And you will wonder that it has produced some great personalities in the national politics of United States. George W. Bush Jr. and George Bush Sr., both who have been presidents of United States, were once upon a time governors of Texas, and they used to live in this particular city, that is the Austin city. And above all, you must have heard in the year when John Kennedy was assassinated in the year November 1963, then in those particular circumstances, according to the Constitution of United States, the elections are not held to the post of president if the president dies in natural death or is assassinated. So when John F. Kennedy was assassinated, then the then Vice President of United States, that is Lyndon B. Johnson, was raised to the platform of presidentship. He also belonged to Austin City. Moreover, perhaps he lived in Austin City, and even today, the house in which Lyndon B. Johnson used to live as a citizen in America, in Austin, that house is still available. So, in this particular city, Austin City, if somebody is in a position to walk down the old to see the old city, then you will wonder. It seems the past comes alive, and in this city, there only there is a very good, very hefty, very active river, and on that river there is a sort of island of water that has been made in the Austin city, and it's a tourist spot. People go there and have a walk in this particular. In one sense, United States is the new world, of course. In one sense, United States is the new world, of course. Yet in all sense, its Austin city is an old historical city immersed in antiquity. Above all, it's the star city of lone star state of America. Oh, Texas state. Oh, Texas state. Thyself proud of stately capital city of Austin, and vice versa. Austin city richly pervades into the past. Gone by centuries come alive in Austin. Austin bathes in the glory of early settlers in America. Austin exudes an attractive aroma of early days of Spanish settlers in America. The magnanimous, spell-binding downtown of Austin is charming. In its relic-like streets, historical churches and bazaars past still lives live and afresh on the winding ways. Its river walk is certainly one such alluring attraction in multiple ways. The crisscross lanes and by-lanes filled with water in Austin River Walk, the so-called crowd of the not-so-glittering ferry boats, the accent of speaking of the guides on the boats, the admixture of all this seems aglow with the sense of yesteryears. I marvel, poet says, I marvel at the bewitching beauty of Riverwalk in Austin. It soothes the agitated mind and the rigorously pulsating heart. Thy ambience glowing in the sweet aroma of affirmative parlance. I am fortunate to visit this place in summer 2015, as I will do in future also if God permits. The, the sandy semi-light greenish grey waters, the sandy semi-light greenish grey waters, the slightly and gently elevated ripples on water, and the lilting fluorescent light of the nearby lamps makes Austin Riverwalk a lovely experience into the history of America. The tall trees on the banks of the Riverwalk are the short relics of the shady trees planted by the settlers in 1692 AD. The dimly lit old buildings all around, and certainly vintage hotels still exchange verbatim the songs sung by the settlers in the remote past. One of the oldest glory of Austin Riverwalk is its oldest building to my mind, where the boats are anchored on the shores. A silent walk and silent inspection of this historical premises reveals the magical old machines and engines present over there. Last, I salute thyself, the number one country of the world great, the North America. I salute Austin downtown, today's attraction immersed with yesteryears. Above all, I salute the Austin Riverwalk, thyself pride of Austin and pride of gone by eras and descendants of Spanish settlers. Thank you.